Hello friends. Well, I'm going to be working on this Steel 08S now, the next project. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I am putting new crank seals in. So there's the new OEM crank seal. And I go over the crankshaft. I put a little touch of light grease on. Something I like to do. Get it setting in there straight. And then I put a flat washer on since I don't have any tools for it. And then I take a socket, give it a few taps, make sure it's going in straight, which this one is not. It's just a little bit off. We can fix that. Straightened up. And then once it's straight, get it centered and give it good tap. Everything looks good. See that it's sitting flush on this model. That's where it needs to be. So now we'll set the coil back in. Okay, just stuck that on, didn't tighten it down, but go ahead and get to this side. The pin is not in, and I'm going to show you how I pull these, which you should get a puller, but I don't have one, so this is what I've always done. Just have to be very, very careful. I get a screw, don't laugh. Done it many, many times. Just right till it goes in. Don't go very deep at all. Get some of these. This screw's a little tall, but didn't go in deep enough. This one's not going in very well. You don't want to just start going in. There you have it. Comes out in one piece. Again, I'm not recommending anyone to try that. It's just what I've had to do a lot of times. because I don't really work on things anymore, so I don't have a lot of tools anymore. Don't have access to a bunch of shop tools. Work fingers work. Just go slow. Make sure it's going in. Make sure nothing's rolling over. And that one's down. Put the key back in. That all looks good. Now, those are back on. I'm going to do another pressure and vacuum test to make sure nothing's leaking. So I will put you on hold for a minute. Okay, I've got my rubbers in. These back nuts are a 10 millimeter. Get them snug. And the front are a 10 millimeter as well. On this version, stick my homemade unit in there. And I will be right back.